Welcome back to New Garden Road, where I share my love of gardening with you in a way that I hope will inform, inspire, and elevate you. What's this video about? Yeah, gratitude, that's what it's about. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Over 100 of you have done it in the last year. I just really want to say thank you so much. It's just like I say at the beginning of the video, I want to share what I love with you. I want you to be inspired. I want to teach you some things. And I want to elevate you. I want to provide something positive for you to see, to reflect on, and maybe inspire you to get into something that does the same for you. Are you subscribed? If not, what are you waiting for? Make sure you click the notifications bell and stay up to date on all the garden action coming at you each week from my backyard here in Central Texas, talking about raised bed gardening, organic, 100% organic, y'all. Vegetables, herbs, flowers, and one of my favorite, citrus trees. I'm going to bring you some practical, hands-on demonstrations of a lot of gardening techniques. So what do they look like? What do they feel like? What can you expect? What are some tips along the way that will help you get better? Share this video with others. You know there are other people out there that are going to need some of this info. Besides, bringing you a little bit extra entertainment, edutainment, whatever it is, you're going to want to stay tuned because it's only going to get better from here. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you're getting some tips, and I hope you're feeling the love. Leave me a question or comment below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Make sure you watch those videos and keep it organic.